Hello everyone, welcome to Parkeasy, your smart solution for finding and booking vehicle parking space quickly, easily and efficiently. Let's take a quick tour to see how it all works. This is the home page of Parkeasy. From here, you can register yourself as a new user. Just enter the first name, last name, email and set a secure password. Once your registration is completed, head over to the login page. Simply enter your registered email and password and you are in. Now you are ready to explore, search for available parking spots and make booking with Parkeasy. So welcome to the user dashboard on Parkeasy. Here what will you find? On the booking section, you can view all your current and past parking reservation in one place. In the notification tab, you will get important updates like booking reminders, confirmation and more. If you want to update your details, head over to the profile section where you can edit your personal information and even change your password also. So ready to book a spot? Start by selecting your start and end dates. Then search by location or choose from the displayed parking lots. The system will automatically show you the total price for the selected duration. On the next screen, you will see all available parking spots. Pick the one you prefer and click on Book Now. This takes you to the booking confirmation page. Here you will find full details about the lot, selected spot and pricing. As you can see, after confirming the booking, you will receive a reservation ID and you can also download your reservation receipt from here. Just arrived just arrived at your selecting parking spot at the reserved time and you are good to go. Thank you. Happy parking with Parkeasy.